Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring the exciting world of vegan bodybuilding. We're diving right in straight to the heart of plant-powered protein. Foods like lentils, chickpeas, tofu, tempeh, and quinoa aren't just rich in protein, they're packed with essential amino acids, aiding muscle repair and growth. Don't overlook the power of nuts and seeds either. Almonds, chia seeds, and hemp seeds are protein-packed and provide healthy fats crucial for overall health. Moving on to complex carbs, your energy source. Foods like brown rice, sweet potatoes, whole grain pasta, and oats provide sustained energy for those intense workouts. And let's not forget avocados, packed with healthy fats and a calorie-dense option for those looking to increase their calorie intake for muscle growth. Now, onto our colorful friends, fruits and vegetables. They're packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, essential for overall health and supporting your immune system. Berries, citrus fruits, leafy greens, and cruciferous vegetables like broccoli and kale should have a special place in your diet. They provide not only essential nutrients but also help in reducing inflammation and aiding in recovery. So, there you have it. A glimpse into the delicious and nutritious world of vegan bodybuilding. With the right plant-based choices, you can fuel your body, support your muscles, and achieve your fitness goals. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on vegan nutrition and fitness. Thanks for joining us today, and here's to your health and gains.